Ain't no tip, who gon' get jealous when you're finished.
In this video, y'all finna see, man. First of all, this video right here is specifically for anybody that's you know, wanting to hook up and add, well, let me say, wanting to add an amplifier in the subwoofer in their Dodge Charger, and they're not really sure how to go about it, and you know, they don't really have a whole lot of money to spend to go to these shops and get them hooked up. That's what this video right here is for, man. So this is a detailed, in-depth installation process that I'm finna show y'all, man. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. First, let me say, I'm not a professional installer whatsoever, but I do kind of know what I'm doing. I have been dealing with audio stuff for a long time, man, for some years. So, hey, I do know what I'm doing, but I am not perfect. So if y'all see something in the video that I did wrong, hey, man, it's cool to comment down there. Let me know if you know a better way to do it. Comment and let the people know, man. So let's get this video. Let's get this video up there, man. So like this video so this video can get out there, so people can know how to do this stuff themselves. Save them some money, you guys, because we all need to save money right now in these times. All right, man. So shout out to little bro. Oh man, I like all this purple up in here, man. Yeah, man. So I like that silver with the purple on there. It actually make the match look purple. So as y'all know, man, in his car, she gonna have to park. So as y'all know, man, in his car right here, he got the Alpine sound system hooked up in his car. Now we changing out the Alpine system right now. We're not doing that. All we doing today, man, is we're gonna be adding an amplifier into the car. Here go the box that we're gonna be hooking up. And then this is the wire set that he got right here. It's a Scar Audio OFC, oxygen free copper, man. So we're gonna see how good it is. And then the amp that we using today, we're gonna be using the Hiphonics Brutus 1500 watt super class D mono block amplifier, man. Now notice I got my bro out here, he helping me. Now I done ran the power wire. Look what he done did. He done already put the inline fuse in there. That's a big no-no. Y'all make sure this the last step y'all do, man. So y'all will not, because you might touch any kind of wires. And right now, this is considered a live wire with the fuse in there. So we're gonna take this out. Where he at? There you go over there. So yeah. But anyway, we got the power wire ran, man. So y'all running it. He running 4-gauge wire, so plenty of room, man. We're just gonna slide the wire up in here right here, man, and I'm gonna run it through the back alongside where these wires is at. So this is where y'all can run y'all, how y'all run y'all power wire, man. Run it through here, take it through this little plastic piece, take it all the way through the back. You're gonna run it right down here where that's at. Gonna splice a hole and it's gonna come out on the other side. All right, gang. So now we finna run our ground wire, man. So as y'all see, we got the power wire running through there. Got it coming up under the this little heat and shrink paper, whatever you want to call this material right here. So it's running from there to there to here, and then we're gonna mount our amp, and we're gonna split us a hole in here. You want to run your power wire through the back of this carpet right here. Cut you a little hole, that way all your wires will be tucked neat. Y'all see right here, go our ground wire. This is what we're using right here, man. Ground wire. So to me, man, the best ground wire that I use when I do these cars, you know what I'm saying, you can either use this one or you can use this one. But to use this one, your terminals have to be really big, and these right here is the small ones. So we're gonna ground from this spot right here. I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna do that. So right here, that's where you want to get your ground wire from. So as y'all see, I did splice into this carpet right here. just so I can get a good connection with nothing interfering with that. So now before I ground my wire, I got me a little sanding pad. And what you want to do is you want to get as much of this paint off around here as you can. So we're gonna sand this down real good so we can get a good ground connection. What I told y'all, man, make sure y'all sand y'all ground down real good and get a real good tight connection. So we are running the factory head unit, so of course we got to use a line out converter. That's what that thing is right there. You know what I'm saying? So several different ways you guys can hook this up, man, but just remember that line out converter is going to need power, ground, and it has to be ran to your remote. So you can either ground it separately somewhere in the back of the trunk, but how I run mine is, as you guys see, I got my power and my ground running all the way into the amp. So the power remote is the ground on this side, you got remote hooked up, and then you got your power hooked up. So these right here, and we are going to separate them before we put everything down. But everything is powered up, man, so that's how you guys run your amplifier, man. So the sub is all wired up. So the sub is a dual voice coil, 4 ohms. I got it running down to 2 ohms. I put it at 2 ohms. We're gonna try that 2 ohms first to break it in. Alright, so man, look, I just told y'all, hey man, see, that's why you should always let the installer do everything, man. So as y'all just seen a while ago, man, bro was putting in the screws. Look what he done did to the brand new ass sub, bro.
It's still gonna work. That hole probably ain't gonna hit no more.
Damn, you done blew it. What you gotta say for yourself, man?
R.I.P.
Bro, we ain't even got to hear this thing yet, man.
It's still gonna work.
Oh my god. So we still gonna hook it up, but yeah, man. Damn.
And fucked up.
Damn. I'm tuned on right here, man. Let's see. So let's turn it down a little bit. Let's put the level on let's go about halfway. The EQ gonna go about halfway. The low pass filter, I think I got mine about right there. And let's see the low pass. We'll put the low pass about right there. All right, man. So here we go, man. We finna see let's see if it still works. Alright, man, so everything done, everything put back, man, neatly, man, you know what I'm saying? So, Scar Audio, 12-inch subwoofer, man, SDR. Here go the box that it came in, so y'all know. Right here, SDR, Scar Audio. Yeah, man. Well, let's see. Some of the specs on the box right here. 600 watts, RMS. Y'all see it. Dual voice coil, all that good stuff. 4 ohms, which we got them running down to 2 ohms. But yeah, man. So we're gonna see how this thing holds up, especially with the hole puncture. But hopefully he'll get that. He's gonna get another one replaced, man. He do have insurance on the sub, so
Always get that insurance.
yeah, man. So hope this video helped you guys out, man. Hope this video was very informational. I don't know if this is gonna be a part 1 or a part 2 or whatever. But yeah, man. So we're gonna end the video off, man. Ghost, anything you want to say, bro, before we head out of here, man?
Pay attention to what you're doing when you're hooking yourself. So
Yeah.
end up like that.
That's what's up, man. Make sure y'all follow him on his you know, YouTube and Instagram at Ghosty V8, man. Y'all go give him a follow right now, man. Especially y'all want to see more audio videos on these scars, man. So now probably finna hop over here to mine and get mine ready to go. And we sure gonna be doing some videos on that, so y'all stay tuned for that, man.